Hello, welcome back. In this part, we are going to learn about special variables in Linux. Special variables are built-in variables that store important information about your system, shell, and commands. They are extremely useful in shell scripting and automation. So by the end of this part, you will understand what special variables are, commonly used special variables, how to use them in commands and scripts. Let's get started. Special variables are predefined by the shell. Okay, unlike regular variables, you don't need to create them. Okay, they automatically hold information that can help you track processes, get command results, or access user and system information. Okay, or info or system info, whatever you want. You access them by using the dollar symbol. Okay, so for example, we have, if we want to access this variable called home, we use the dollar symbol and then we specify the name. Okay, as you can see, we access this variable and it contains this value, okay, which is home / user, like the path. Okay, and this prints home directory. Okay, so let us take a look at the common special variables. So let's look at the some of the most commonly used special variables. Okay, so we have the home. Okay, we have, there is another one which is the user, that one, and this one prints the current user. We have another one, the pwd, which prints the working directory, okay, or the present working directory. Okay, and we have another one which is ampersand question mark. Okay, and this one prints the exit status of the last command. Okay, so for example, if we use ls and we press enter and then we echo the dollar sign and then the question mark, like that. As you can see, 0. Okay, as you can see, 0 means success and non-zero means an error occurred. Okay, so for example, let us type like that and we press enter. So here we are having a certain error, so let us echo like that. Okay, so here we are having a non-zero, which means error occurred in our previous command that we ran. Okay, so also have the ampersand, which is gives us the process ID of the current shell. Okay, so if you use echo dollar sign and then a dollar sign, okay, so this dollar sign is like the variable. Okay, so if you press enter, as you can see, so this is the process ID of our current shell. Okay, so let us now take a look at using the $0 and the $1 and $2. So when writing shell script, special variables can hold the script names and arguments. Okay, and for example, if we have something like this, if we try to echo out, if we have $0, instead of echoing out, let me show you this one here before I show you an example. So we have $0. So $0 contains the name of the script. Okay, you should cram that. Okay, or not that. Okay, I'm going to show you an example. Okay, $0 contains the name of the script in our terminal. Okay, and if we have another one, $1, this one is the first argument. Okay, so for instance, if we run our file like this, shell, there's a, okay, so if we run our like shell dot sh like that. Okay, so this one, $0 is the name, okay, of our script, and if we have another one, $1 is the first argument, $2 is the second argument, $3 is the third argument that are passed to the scripts, to our script. Okay, like that. Okay, so let me show you an example here. Let me show you an example right now. So let us go inside nano and then let us name greet dot sh like that, and then inside, let us say we are using a bash, so let us use the shebang. So we are using our bash terminal being / bash like that. Then inside, let us echo out something like script name is so to get our script name, we use the $sign $0, okay, $0. Okay, that one is going to give us the script name. Then let us get the first argument. So to get the first argument, let us output first argument. So the first argument is, we access the first argument using $1, okay, and the second argument is going to be $2, the third $3, like that. Okay, so if we save and then we exit and then we try to run our grid.sh like that, so grid.sh, so $0 is going to be the name of our file, and $1 is going to be the first argument. So the first argument, let us pass Rashid, like that. And if we press enter, permission denied. Okay, we need to add the execute permission. So change mode, we want to add the execute on our grid.sh, like that. After doing that, let us execute. As you can see, we get script name is grid.sh, and the first argument is Rashid, like that. Okay, so let us take a look at more special variables. Okay, so let us take a look at them right now. Let us take a look at them. So other useful special variables include the hashtag, the $hashtag, okay, which shows the number of arguments passed to the script. Okay, so for example, we can use it inside here. Let us go inside our nano. Okay, so inside it, let us try to create. Let us output the number. So let us echo out. Let us echo out the number of arguments. Okay, so number of arguments, like that, and let us output them. So we are going to use $sign hash, like that. Okay, and if we save and then we exit and then we try to run our script, as you can see, the number of arguments that we provided is 1. Okay, because we provided 1 argument. Okay, and if we provide more arguments, Rashid, and then let us provide Shafiq, like that. As you can see, the number of arguments have increased to 2. Okay, number of arguments have increased to 2. Okay, so we have another one, which is the art variable. Okay, which is this one, the art. Okay, the art, that one. Okay, so the art, this one shows all arguments as separate words. Okay, it shows them as separate words. Okay, so you can try to use it, try to replace it in, try to put it in your scripts. Okay, you can take out, you can take a look at it. So let me try it. Let me try this one. Let me try this one. Okay, so echo, let us get all arguments. Okay, uh, all all of them, like that, and then let us use it. We use the $sign and then art. Okay, and then we try to save and then we exit. So from there, let us provide 2 arguments, Rashid and Shafiq. I will press enter. As you can see, all arguments we get Rashid and Shafiq, like that. Okay, we have another one, which is the asterisk. Okay, so the asterisk, $asterisk, shows all arguments as a single string. Okay, as a single string. So later we can use it. Let us go inside a nano greeting.sh. So instead of getting them as separate words, let us use the asterisk, like that, $asterisk. We save and then we exit. We try to run. As you can see, we get Rashid and Shafiq. Okay, so but they are like single word. Okay, they're like a single string. Okay, it is like a single string. Okay, like that. Okay, so we also have the exclamation mark, $exclamation mark, which shows the process ID of the last background command. Okay, you can try to use it. It's like this, $exclamation mark, like that. Okay, also have another one, which is underscore, like that, underscore, like that. So this one shows the last argument of the previous command. Okay, like that. You can try to use it. Okay, so let us now take a look at using special variables in scripts. Okay, so special variables are very useful. Okay, you can try out them. Okay, we have used them in our script. We have used them in our scripts, so you can take a look at them. You can try out the rest that have not used in the script. You can try out this one and this one. Okay, you can try them out. You can try them out. Okay, so thank you. So if you found this part helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much.